Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another episode of Junk Journal July for 2025. Let's grab our junk journals and dive into day 28 and the Prompt of Cursive. Can't believe we're so far into the challenge and we're nearly at the end. And for that I decided to fill up the spread right beside where I started with stars. And I first had to just take out some washi tape to reinforce the spine a bit, so that now that the junk journal is getting really thick and heavy, it's pulling a bit much on the spine and the string there. So I just added some washi tape and then got out one of those transparent envelopes and did cut one part out of it to have just a sheet of transparent paper to use for the cursive spread. How are you guys all doing? How is your junk journal July coming along? Are you still going strong? Let me know in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Here I decided to first add the label with day 1 and stars to the spread as well, as I did not do that on the first day, so I thought it would be a nice touch to add it here before going on with our spread for cursive for the day. I'm really happy with how this challenge is going so far and how it's coming along, and I'm really proud of myself for sticking with it and seeing all your beautiful creations. I think you came up with some beautiful spreads for the prompts, and I can't wait to see all the tours. I don't know if you make one, but I would love to see a tour of your completed junk journals as well. I will definitely do one after we finished this challenge. But I'm at the moment thinking about maybe I do one like filler episode after the 31st and go back in to see which spreads aren't yet filled up and do those before doing the tour of the junk journal July. Here I'm just writing out a few things about the days and life and everything. I don't know. Just trying to include more writing into my journals. I'm not the big writer, but for cursive it's just something that is the most obvious part, I don't know. So we're writing out some cursive to fill up this spread. And then first I thought about also writing on the main page beneath that to make use of the transparency of the sheet, but I don't know why I didn't do that in the end. I abandoned that idea midway through. Could have been a nice touch, but it's fine how it is. This spread is a bit more simple, but I really like how it turned out. It's just more focused on the journaling in a way. So here I did get out my stickers to find something to add to the spread as well. Now let's add a little bit more to the spread with this postcard stamps. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative journey and many, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very, very soon. Until then, happy creating!